Hello everyone, in today's video we will be opening a study lamp and we will try to find out what are the parts it has inside. So recently I bought this from Amazon and let us try to open it. In the box you won't get many things. This is our lamp and we will get one connector. So this is a like USB C type connector and this is our study lamp, and to power it we need to put the pin over here, and this other end it has to be connected with your power source. This is USB type port. So let me connect this with my charger adapter. Now I have connected this. So let me turn off one of my light so that we can check the intensity of the light which is giving this lamp. Now let's try to turn on it. So this is the one of third mode, this is the second mode, and this is the last mode. So now we will try to open it. So let me first disconnect it from the power source. And at the bottom we can see here, this is the bottom cover and it is tightened with the 4 screws. So let's try to open it. This is the bottom cover. Let me put this aside for a while, and as you can see over here, there is a small PCB, and here the slot is given for powering this device, and this red wire is going to the our button area where we can turn on and change the mode of lighting. Let me try to remove this foil. Let's see what we will get over here. So I have almost removed this foil which is linked to this power cable, and this is our button area where we are changing the intensity of the light. This small PCB is mounted over three mounting bosses, and one of the fasteners is not given over here, only two are here. So it is like pretty simple device which doesn't have many components to it. One small PCB, one powering port, and one button to change the mode of light. I guess since we have a 3 mode of lighting, so from the PCB only 3 wires going to the top to this LED section. That's pretty much on this video. Kindly consider subscribing this channel for more such videos, and I will see you all in my next video.